So for your flower dissection lab, you can choose any flower. Most people have dandelions right now, so that would be an easy one to get. If you can get a tulip or a um, buttercup or something like that, it would be really easy to see the reproductive parts, and that's what we're looking for. If you cannot get any flowers, there is a virtual dissection that I have loaded to Schoology, and I've included that in the paper instructions also. But you're going to very carefully cut apart your flower so that you can see all of the parts of the flower. And then you're going to answer some questions about what you saw, counting petals, things like that. And then you're going to tell me what you saw and how many and what the function of that particular part is. So, again, if you can't get a plant, you can use the virtual dissection and you can scan this or make pictures or whatever you need to do to send it back to me.